Hello, my name is Nora. Welcome to the Freeing Rhythm channel where you can learn, experience, and create. Today's video is going to be about the traits of successful people. I will share with you a few of their traits that are common between all of them, which help them make their vision a reality. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one, they have control over their emotions. Successful people do not let their emotions take over, especially if they are in a crisis. Instead, they channel it into their work and vision. So if they're ever met with upsetting news or happening, they actually try to figure out solutions to their problem instead of letting it hinder their progress. And they do not hold on to the past. Instead, they focus on their vision and how to make it a reality, instead of dwelling on the past and complaining about their problems. For example, Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, and instead of letting his anger and his emotions take over, he actually went ahead and started his own company, where eventually Apple was begging him to come back and work for them. Number two, they are very disciplined. Successful people follow their own rules when it comes to work, and they can overcome any temptations of procrastination or pleasure until they're done with work. So they're always focused on their work and their progress, and they rarely get distracted. Number three, they take responsibility. So whenever they make a mistake, they actually own up to it, and they don't have that victim mentality. Because they'd rather have a sense of control over their circumstances instead of feeling like a victim. And by doing so, they feel empowered to actually change things around. Number four, they believe in their purpose and passion. They actually believe in what they're doing, and they have really convicted beliefs of their purpose and mission in life, and they really want to see it to fruition. And their belief in their purpose is actually what pushed them to achieving it. Number five, they work hard. They actually don't mind working hard towards their dreams and vision because they know it actually requires hard work in order for them to achieve it. And they also know that their goals would be nothing but dreams if they don't actually put in the work. Number six, they have great resilience. So that means they never give up. No matter what obstacles they face in their journey, they just never give up. If something knocks their progress down, they figure out a way to get back up quickly. They always find solutions to their problems, and they always keep pushing forward until they achieve their goals and they become successful. For example, Thomas Edison said, "I have not failed. Instead, I found 10,000 ways that won't work." Number seven, they are positive people. They have a very positive outlook on life, and they are optimists, so they see the glass half full, and they have faith in what they're doing. Also, they don't have a lack mentality. They believe in abundance for everyone. Number eight, they are great at time management, so they know how to prioritize their tasks for the day, and they actually tackle the hardest ones first. So they make sure to accomplish the most important and urgent tasks first, and then they schedule the important but not so urgent ones for them to do throughout the day. And for the urgent but not important tasks, they actually delegate it to other people so they can help them with it. And for the neither important or urgent matters, they actually don't even waste their times on it. For example, they don't watch too much TV, they're not too addicted to their phones and so forth. Number nine, they make time for self-care. They know that their body and their vessel is what actually help them keep going forward. So they really make sure to take care of their body, mind, and soul. They make sure to get enough rest by having good amount of sleep each night. They eat healthy, they exercise, they meditate, and so forth. Number 10, they have high self-value and confidence. They actually know their worth and they believe in their abilities and qualities. Also, they know their limitations and they're not threatened by it. Instead, they find people who complement them so they can see their vision come true. Number 11, they are great at achieving their long-term goals. They know in order to achieve long-term goals, it requires a lot of time, effort, sacrifice, and patience. They do that by working hard, by believing in their purpose, by steering away from temptations, by being patient, and by never giving up. Number 12, they take calculated risks. They're not afraid of investing their time, energy, and resources until they achieve their goals and they become successful. As you can see, they all have these common traits which help them to keep going forward and make their vision a reality. And you can actually train yourself to have these traits and accomplish your goals and make your vision a reality. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And share it with someone who might benefit from it today. And I hope it was very informative for you and helpful. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.